A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Hey, you didn't know say a Jesus run things. You didn't know say a Jesus run everything. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you don't subscribe yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 2 from verse 23 to verse 28. One Sabbath, Jesus and his special follower them did a go through one wheat field. Him follower them start pick some of the wheat them when they did a pass through. So some Pharisee asked Jesus, say, look here, what make them a do what the law say they no fi do pan the Sabbath? Jesus answered them, say, you never read what David did do when him and him friend them did hungry. Or in going a God house when time Abiathar a did leader for the priest them. Nyam the holy bread where the law say ungo the priest them forget. And I'll give him friend them some. Then Jesus said to them, say, the Sabbath did make for people. People never make for the Sabbath. Cause of that, the man where God pick, him rule, and him rule all over the Sabbath. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.